my name is Tiara Pointer. I recently got married 2 weeks ago, so my new name is actually Tiara Knox. I am married to Jordan Knox, and he's also in this class. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri, but I moved to Wichita, Kansas in 2018, where I was a special education para, and then I started the transition to teaching program, and I became a biology and human anatomy teacher at Wichita West High School. So I get to work with freshmen through seniors, which is really awesome. I also coach there. I'm the head volleyball coach. I'm the assistant soccer coach, and I absolutely love it. I love being at West. I love the kids. I love being in the classroom, and I enjoy being around them. And they're just so much fun to be around and work with. And they've made my first year teaching very, very, very memorable and special. My short-term goals is to get through this program successfully and become a better educator for myself and my students. So it's a learning process. So just like they're learning, I'm learning. And long-term goals, I still see myself being in the classroom and coaching, but obviously more knowledgeable. So with that being said, I do expect to learn a lot about the curriculum and the planning and the proper preparation that goes into having a successful curriculum. So I'm excited to get to know everybody, and that is my introduction. Thank you.